A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about alimentary canal, but today we will discuss about digestive glands. We have discussed about alimentary canal such as buccal cavity, parts of alimentary canal such as buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Okay, but today we will discuss about digestive glands such as buccal cavity, liver and pancreas. Okay students, so first of all about salivary glands, digestive glands. First gland is salivary glands. Okay students, salivary glands. Salivary glands, three pairs of salivary glands. Here three pairs of salivary glands. First is parotid glands. First is parotid gland. Now second is submaxillary gland. Submaxillary. Third is sublingual gland. Sublingual gland. Okay students, parotid glands, submaxillary glands and sublingual glands. Okay, first is parotid glands. Parotid glands located just in front and beneath the ear. Okay students, parotid glands located just in front and beneath the ear. Okay, here. Now second is submaxillary glands and sublingual gland. Second is submaxillary glands. Submaxillary gland located close to the inner side of the lower jaw, one and either side. Okay, lower jaw here. This is the submaxillary glands, lower jaw. Okay, side of the lower jaw. Now next is sublingual gland. Sublingual glands lying below the tongue. Okay, these are all glands secrete the saliva. Okay, they are all secrete the saliva. Okay, these are all glands secrete the saliva. Saliva is viscous, transparent. And slightly alkaline. Its pH value is 7.2. pH value is 7.2. Okay, saliva is viscous, transparent and slightly alkaline. Its pH value 7.2. Liquid. It contains water, salt and mucin. It contains water, salt and mucin. Here 98% water, 98% water and 2% another substances, okay. Okay students, now what is the role of or function of saliva? What is the role of saliva? First is, now its function, you will write here function, functions, okay, function. First is, it is lubricates, okay, it is saliva is lubricates and moisten the food and bind the food particles into bolus for easy swelling, okay students. Now in saliva, an enzyme found that is called salivary amylase, okay, enzyme is salivary amylase, okay students. What is the role of salivary amylase? Salivary amylase take place in digestion of starch, okay. Starch change into the maltose, by the help of salivary amylase, okay students. Starch found in rice, potato, etc., okay. So students, here starch change into the maltose by the help of salivary amylase. Salivary amylase found in saliva, okay, found in saliva. Now salivary amylase, saliva is antiseptic. Now next function of saliva is antiseptic. It contain enzyme lysozyme, okay students, lysozyme, okay. It contain enzyme lysozyme which kill germ if during the taking of foods, when some germs enter into the mouth cavity, then lysozyme killed the germ in mouth cavity, okay. So its important role in antiseptics and killing the germ, okay. Okay students, now next is liver. Next is liver, okay students. Liver is the largest gland. It is largest gland. Largest glands, okay. Largest gland in the body, okay. It is reddish in color, okay. Liver is, this is a liver, okay. Liver is largest gland in our body and it is reddish in color, okay. Now and weigh about 1.5 kg, 1.5 kg, 1.5 kg. Okay, 1.5 kg. Okay students, now next, it lie on right side, lie on right side of abdominal cavity in concavity of diaphragm, concavity of diaphragm. It is form of hepatic cell, it is form of hepatic cell. Okay, it is formed of hepatic cell. Liver produce bile juice, liver produce bile juice, okay, which is stored in gallbladder. This is a gallbladder. Okay, liver produce bile juice is stored into the gallbladder. Okay students, and is released in stored in gallbladder and is released in duodenum. Okay, released in duodenum by the help of bile duct. Okay, bile duct open into the duodenum, so bile juice enter into the duodenum by the help of bile duct. Okay, okay students, now gallbladder, this is a gallbladder. Gallbladder is a transparent, gallbladder is transparent, a white sac embedded in one of the liver lobes, one of the liver lobes. Okay, it receive bile from liver via hepatic duct. This is a hepatic duct. By the help of hepatic duct, bile juice enter into the gallbladder. Okay, and store it, the gallbladder open into duodenum through common bile duct. Okay students, by the help of bile duct, bile juice enter into the duodenum. Bile juice is alkaline in nature. Its main function is when chyme become acidic in stomach, these chyme enter into the duodenum. At that time, bile juice enter into the duodenum and neutralize the chyme. Okay, neutralize the chyme. Okay students, and next function of bile juice is fats emulsification. Fats emulsification. So students, this is a liver, this is a liver. Now some important points. Its length is 3 and its wide is 1.5. Okay, its length is 3 inch and 1.5 inch wide. Okay, liver length is 3 inch, it's long and 1.5 inch wide. Okay students, now bile juice pH, the pH value of bile juice. Bile juice pH value is 7.5 to 8.5. 7.5 to 8.5. Okay students, so when chyme enter into the duodenum, at that time bile juice neutralize the chyme. Okay, and another works of bile is bacteriocytes. Okay, and bile juice participate in digestion of fats, participate in digestion of fats also. Okay students, thank you, very thank you. In next video we will discuss about pancreas. Okay.